Hello, my name is Eva Panetti. I'm assistant professor in management at Parthenope University. The video statement is one of our favorite components in the application. It's a great way to bring your story to life and to build a deeper connection with one of the admission committee members. Think about the video statement in your application as a way to add color and context to it. Now, here's how it works. We ask you to take 60 seconds to introduce yourself to your future classmates. Let me share with you a few tips on how to create a strong video. Tip number 1, feel free to share your personal and professional examples. Is there something that you're working on but you haven't quite figured out where to put it in the application? Mention it here. Tip number 2, the video doesn't have to be professionally edited. So please don't go out and hire a production company. You can, however, ask a friend to video you in 1 or 2 takes and speak into the camera. Tip number 3, consider your setting. Is there a specific location that you think might add context to what you're sharing? Great videos can be shot in simple inside locations as well as in outside settings that relate to the experience. Last but not least, be mindful of your surroundings. You don't want all of your efforts to be obscured by background noises or other distractions. Most importantly, sincerity and authenticity are key to a strong video. So thank you. We are looking forward to getting to know you more for your videos.